Pod campers have really gained in popularity since JK released its J-Pod a few years ago, and now there's an exciting new option in the mini caravan market with the arrival of the Melbourne-built Gen Pod range from OurGen RV. Easy to tow, set up and store, the new Gen Pod range is an affordable option for those on tighter budgets, as well as anyone looking to downsize from a larger caravan or stuck with a smaller tow vehicle. The Gen Pod camper range kicks off at around $30,000, with this range-topping Leo model supplied by Queensland dealer Lawrence RV priced at $44,990 drive away. For that, you get a reasonably well-equipped 4.3 metre long hard-body camper designed for semi-off-road travel and coming in with an unloaded weight of less than a tonne, together with a decent 640 kilogram payload. The OurGen campers are built on a solid galvanised chassis with an insulated aluminium clad body and ride on leaf spring suspension with a 50mm bore coupling up front and 15-inch alloy wheels with electric drum brakes and all-terrain tyres. You'll also find on the extended drawbar the spare wheel, a gas bottle and a large checker plate toolbox for storing outside gear. There's also a roof rack with rear rollers to help load and unload a kayak or other recreational items. Also on the roof is a 200 watt solar panel that feeds the externally mounted 100 amp hour lithium battery, with two underslung 60 litre water tanks also fitted to extend your time off the beaten track. Cooking is outside on a pull-out kitchen with 3 gas burners, a sink and a chopping board, with a little space left on the other side of the LED lit tunnel boot to store some more gear. Other external highlights include a side awning and lights and a drop-down picnic table, while there's a drop-down shower tent on the other side for a portable external shower. The Gen Pod Leo also comes with 4 corner stabilisers, a drawbar tap and a mains pressure inlet. One of the best features of this Gen Pod Leo are the multiple entry options at the rear, which includes a gas strut-assisted lift-up door which doubles as an overhead shelter and can be left open at night with a fly screen that pulls down across the entrance to stop the bugs from getting in. Alternatively, you can keep the main door shut and get in and out with a clever doggy door, which incorporates a sliding window and another built-in screen. Stepping up inside using the pull-out step, it feels surprisingly airy thanks to a roof hatch and a large opening window with screens and blinds on both sides. There's room to sit up on the front bench seat or lounge back on the double in the spring mattress, which should be big enough for 2 average size adults. On the right as you enter is a cupboard for the battery management system, which includes a 1000 watt inverter so you can run a laptop or other small appliance. There's also a microwave and 80 litre compressor fridge located opposite, which both run off mains power. Other wall-mounted electricals include a display panel to monitor water and battery levels, and a variety of sockets that can be used when either plugged in at a caravan park or free camping. Other internal features include an adjustable arm for the 23-inch TV, a portable Bluetooth speaker, and 12-volt fans to generate a breeze inside the camper. Storage is pretty good for a pod camper, with space under the bed and some good size overhead cupboards running along both sides. There's enough floor space to carry a portable toilet, and some LED reading and ceiling lights have been fitted for when the sun goes down. It all appears finished to a high standard, including use of fashionable light timber bench tops and carpet-lined walls for added insulation. Hitched up to a Ford Ranger ute, you barely notice the 1 tonne plus camper behind, and its small footprint makes it very easy to access campsites with lots of trees and branches around. And while it's not set up for serious off-roading, there's enough ground clearance so you don't have to worry too much if you venture a bit off the beaten track. So in summary, if you're looking for a smaller, lighter, Aussie-built couples camper that's relatively well equipped and won't break the bank, the Gen Pod Leo is certainly worth a closer look.